Meaning of freeze-dry.
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 Freeze-dry. Freeze-drying is a process of preserving food or other materials by removing water content through sublimation. In this process, the substance is first frozen and then placed under vacuum, or the ice converts directly from solid to vapor without passing through the liquid stage. This results in a dry, lightweight material that can be easily stored and transported without spoiling. The end product retains most of its original flavor, color, and nutritional value, making freeze-drying an ideal method for preserving fruits, vegetables, meat, and even pharmaceuticals.